Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to connect domain to Wix for free. So all you have to do is to log into your Wix account and then go to publish site. Now, if you have your site already, all you have to do is to check it again or review, and then after that, click publish. Now, once you click this publish here, there will be a link that will pop up something like this. So all you have to do is to control A or drag this one and then copy this link. Now, once you copy this link, all you have to do now is to open a new tab to find a free domain site or sites that offer free domain if there is. So all you have to do is to click, for example, Namecheap. Now, what you're going to do here is to type the domain that you're going to use for your site. So let's just say this one, but you have to set your account first or make an account first. So I have created an account on Namecheap, and all you have to do is to go to domain and then find a domain that offers free. And all you have to do is to click that domain and paste the link that you've copied earlier on your Wix. And then after that, you just have to click continue or confirm, and then you can have your domain. As easy as that. Now, if this one doesn't work or if this one doesn't offer free, then you can go to your Google web browser and find other domains that offer free domain sites or domains for your Wix. So let's just say I'm going to skip this one and find other sites that offer free domain. So all you have to do is to just enter any word here or keyword here or any word that you want to name for your domain, and then they will give you or provide you possible domains for that. But all you have to do now is to pay for this or to add this to cart. This is not for free. So if this one or if this site fails you, then you can go to your Google web browser again and find another domain or another site that offers free domain for your Wix. So let's just skip this one. Now I click another site again, iPage, and then all you have to do is to purchase any of this. I mean, it's not for free, but just in case you can find a site that offers free domain, all you have to do is to click that domain and then paste the URL or the link that you copied from your Wix and then click continue, just click continue and confirm. And that way you can get a free domain from this website for free. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and see you in our next video tutorials.